Imagine a heavy, dark cloud lifting off your chest. Right now, your heart begins to feel light. In the next 6 minutes, we will dissolve your anxiety. You will find the silent, steady peace within you. Inhale the cool blue light. Hold it for a moment. Now exhale slowly. Release the heavy gray smoke of worry. Inhale peace. Exhale chaos. Feel your shoulders drop. Your body is safe. Your breath is your anchor. You are standing on a sacred mountain peak. It is dawn. The air is crisp and cold. You smell the faint scent of sandalwood incense. A golden sun begins to rise. Feel the warmth touching your skin. Look ahead. A majestic temple glows in the distance. The bells chime softly in the wind. A divine protective light surrounds you. You are not alone. Every worry is a leaf falling into a river. Watch them float away. They cannot touch your peace. The mountain is steady. You are the mountain. Repeat these words in your mind. I am safe in this moment. My mind is calm and clear. I let go of what I cannot control. Feel these truths in your heart. They are your strength. Gently bring your focus back. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. You carry this peace with you. The world is outside, but the stillness is inside. When you are ready, open your eyes. If you found your anchor in this stillness today, leave a hike in the comments to mark your progress on the mountain. Subscribe to make this piece a part of your daily rhythm, and share this light with one person who needs to breathe through a dark cloud today.